Alright everybody, today is May 10th, Wednesday. As you can see, I cannot turn my head to go ahead and look back at the camera. That's what it's supposed to look like. That is not what it's supposed to look like. At this point, we are on the way to the hospital. I don't think we mentioned that yet. We're not sure if my neck is broken. It hurts.
Look at that! It's Tyler!
We almost lost a good one today. Jake definitely almost died.
I was I was as close to death as I've been in a while.
I couldn't see anything because I was belaying at the top of this rock face.
So we just found our first bomber placement.
First very bomber. This is not going anywhere.
You sure we don't want to run a backup sling?
No, we are. I'm doing it right now.
Oh, okay.
Showing you how. So you come in, you find your other placements. This is just gonna be a trad placement. So this is my number 2. It's kind of a little bit too fat. I'm gonna go down to my number 1.
All right.
My head doesn't hurt, my neck hurts. So I'm hoping for very minimal damage overall, as always.
Fits through easy.
Nice.
It'll never come out of that, but you want to be able to like have it work its way back out. So it's just 2 nylon slings tied around each other so that it has enough space to get around the back. There's a carabiner in the back locking everything in together. Have that one hidden. And so yeah, it's just a big loop. We know that this is safe because we can't move that rock at all. Like, I mean, this isn't the best way to test it because if it does break right here, I would just come off, but like,
This is my neck brace because we do not have actual neck braces.
What is it?
This is your sweatshirt tied around my neck really, really tight.
Yeah.
That's all we need.
It looks good. So basically right now, we're up to some fuckery, but this guy is about to be up to some first ascent. This guy, are you gonna be the belayer today, by the way?
I'll be whatever you want me to be. I'll be first ascender.
First ascender.
Belayer.
First whipper.
Spectator.
First whipper for sure.
Guy. I guess it took a double backflip whipper straight into the little toe grab, heel hook on the wrong rock, and then just fucking headshot.
I did get a headshot. I headshotted myself.
The rock definitely headshot him.
I'm gonna have somebody get on the belay on the other end of the rope, and we're gonna lower me down. I mean, we could probably just have the anchor here for the fucking climb, huh? We don't need to do that.
This is what Tyler's saying the belaying used to be back in the day.
You got 2 sides of parallel lines, all the way down. That means about 8 spins, actually. That's all you need.
Any last words before the attempt?
Easy.
Easy? No worries.
We went out to a very, very fun climbing spot today. for a celebration. You know, we decided Jacob was gonna push it, and by we decided, I decided I was gonna push it.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up!
First whipper, fine, cool, very scary, very fun. Second whipper, I decided we were gonna go for a backflip off the ledge, and I wasn't thinking about my rope catching my feet at all, which I very much should have been, because that is exactly what it did.
We saw a Gucci purse up there. Yo! Oh my God, he's knocked out.
And then after that, I just saw the boys down south literally freaking out with like panic looks of death, yelling his name.
We saw a Gucci purse up there. Yo! Oh my God, he's knocked out. Yo, 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 yo!
We all had no idea what to do, but we were gonna lower him to the water, and because he was hanging upside down for a good minute, and all the blood was going to his head and causing like permanent brain damage. So
we don't know that it caused permanent brain damage.
yeah, that.
Tyler!
On the camera, it looks like I smashed my helmet to bits, and I dangled unconscious for a while, and then climbed my happy ass out of that situation.
As we got homeboy that we met who was diving, just happened to be diving for iPhones and things like that in the water. So his name's Ben. Thank gosh he was there. He jumped in the water, was ready to grab Jake, and Jake woke up and black out climbed the face of the wall and sent it to the top
With a possible broken neck.
With a possible broken neck.
Keep coming, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, Tyler, keep pulling. Hey, I think he's gonna go up.
He got up to the top and he was asking me questions like he didn't even know how we got to the top of and I'm like, dude, what the fuck? You just climbed that while you're blacked out? So we made him like a little, we pulled his jacket out and made him a little like neck rest and had him lay down, and we all got reset, packed the shit up, and
don't worry, all of our
got
subscribers.
the fuck out of there.
We got it all on video.
All right. Okay, don't run Tyler over.
Oh, hi Tyler.
Take the gate key and take the car key. Yeah. Just get it. Just take it all. Just take it all and get it from you later. You're gonna need your gate key.
Damn, Tyler, what do we have to say about all this?
Honestly, I'm not surprised.
That's all I gotta say. I'm just completely not surprised
So here we are
by any of it.
Here we are with Tyler.
When you know the homeboy long enough, you know, it's just another day. Yeah. There's more neck entries to come, to be honest.
Easy.